Hello students, I hope you are all doing well. I know you are anxiously waiting for the next English class. But before I begin with the next class, I want to ask you a few questions. I'm sure you must have seen a lot of trees around your homes. Can you name some of the trees that you have seen around your house? Yes, you must have definitely seen the mango tree, the cashew trees, the banana trees, the chiku trees, and so many other trees. Most of these trees are very useful to us. They provide us with fruits. They provide us with wood. Some trees are medicinal. They provide us with medicines. And you know that a tree has got many other uses. Today, my dear students, we are going to learn a beautiful poem from your textbook entitled Trees. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." In this poem, Trees, the poet Shirley Bowers says that trees are meant for birds. They are meant for children. They are meant to make tree houses on. You must have very often seen tree houses that are made on trees. The poet also says that trees are used to make a swing on. You can tie a rope on the branch of a tree and you can use it as a swing. The poet says that trees give us a lot of wind. The trees help children when they play the hide and seek game so they can hide behind a tree. The poet also says that trees are meant to have a small tea party under the shade of a tree. Trees also make kites to get caught into them. The poet says that the trees make cool shade in summer. Summer is the hot season. The poet also says that trees make no shade in winter, because you know that in winter, usually in the foreign countries where the poet lives, the trees shed their leaves. The leaves from the trees fall down, and so in winter the tree cannot make any shade. The poet says that the trees give us different kinds of fruits like apples and pears. The poet also is telling us that a tree is used as wood, as timber. Timber means wood. The poet says that trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." And it makes fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." So, my dear students, I hope you have understood this little poem. Thank you for listening.